What if it's more important that this is together and it mismatches on the opposite side? If they're not exactly the same thickness. Then I would need to reference off of this face, right? I should get another piece of board that I would cut that would be the right size. But the idea is that then I can be referenced off of the outside of the board rather than the inside of the board. And I can cut like that. I can put this in a vise and cut down like that. And now I'm referencing off of the outside of the piece rather than the inside of the piece. So I can do either or depending on how that one I'm limited to just off of the inside. I don't know if this one does this. Let's see. The newer ones, there's a newer version of this where you can slide this thing on here and use it. Well, you can do it this way. So I can slide this thing on here like this. And lock it. And then bring that to 90 degrees. And lock it. And then I can do along an edge. This one doesn't have any feature like that, so when I bring this down, I can do on the edge, but it's real difficult to keep this thing against the edge and do it without rocking. Okay. The next thing, part of making the thing more expensive is that it's more expensive to produce. Look at this base compared to this. Right? The first week we had this, somebody dropped it. If I'm using this to reference off of the table, and that now rocks, how accurate is it going to be? Okay. And then the last thing, part of making something cheaper is making it cheaper. The blade isn't exactly lined up with anything on the machine. When you have this fence down, or you're coming off of this, the slot is slightly closer on this end than it is on that end. It's slightly in there askew, which means that when you go in like that and you go in like that, they are just the opposite, like that. It becomes nearly impossible to get anything flush. The difference in price is not worth saving. If you are using this professionally and you're going to go out and buy a biscuit joiner, buy the good one. You will use this if you are a professional woodworker, mechanic, builder, you will use this thing every day. It would be like having a screw gun. People use them every day, all day long, to put cabinets together.